this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. So today we're gonna discuss the section 299 in the Indian Penal Code as an IPC. Basically, the section 299 का जो provision है is about culpable homicide, and the description of this section state that whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death, commit करता है offense of culpable homicide. There are some examples like A lays sticks and turf over a pit with the intention of thereby causing death, and or with the knowledge that death is likely to be thereby caused, and Z believing the ground to be firm and treads on it, falls in and is killed. So basically A has committed the offense of culpable homicide. Now let's see the second illustration. Suppose A knows Z to be behind a bus, B does not know it A, and intending to cause or knowing to be likely to cause Z's death, induce करता है B को to fire at the bus. B fire and kills Z. Here B may be guilty of no offense, but A जो है जिसने उसको इंड्यूस किया B को फायर आग लगाने के लिए, तो A ने कमिट किया है ऑफेंस ऑफ कल्पेबल होमिसाइड. बेसिकली कोई भी पर्सन डेथ, अगर किसी भी पर्सन की डेथ होती है किसी भी एक्ट से, इस इंटेंशन के साथ अगर वो एक्ट हुआ है कि उसकी डेथ ही हो जाए, और विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग सच ऐसी बॉडली इंजरी जो कि लाइकली टू हो टू कॉज डेथ, और ये जानते हुए दैट ही इज़ लाइकली बाय सच एक्ट टू कॉज डेथ, यानी वो जो एक्ट कर रहा है उससे उस इंसान की डेथ हो सकती है, दैट पर्सन शैल बी पनिशेबल ऑफ द ऑफेंस ऑफ कल्पेबल होमिसाइड. So thank you guys, that's all for today. We'll back soon with new legal ideas and new legal topics. Thank you.